Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with an informative video in which I will tell you about how to earn money online and work from home and work effortlessly and earn money. Before starting the video, I request you to like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. So let's start the video without wasting your precious time. This is a topic how to make $100 a day online in 2022. Are you stuck at a 9 to 5 job that you are not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 a day? Then why not do it online? I mean, the internet is the foremost making money machine of the 21st century. In this article, I will introduce you to 11 easy ways to master ways to make money online, some of which definitely won't take you 8 hours a day. So let's take a look at what I have in mind, shall we? Genuine and creative ways to make $100 a day online. Paid service. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid service. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offer you to take surveys and then pay you for them? Granted, it's not the most profitable venture, but it's worth giving it a shot since it's so easy and available. If you are worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid surveys are perfectly legitimate and they are used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinions from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services as well as to create new ones, and the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. Yes, that's where you come in. A paid survey is basically giving you your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. All you have to do sign up for free on a paid online service site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their service. Okay, but how do I know which sites are reliable when it comes to paid surveys? Here are my selection of some of the best sites you can visit to get some extra cash from surveys. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Branded Surveys, Life Points, Toluna, ISA, and so on. I hope you liked my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. See you soon in the next video.